Sets. What is sets? Let's talk about sets. In this section, we're going to talk about the sets, the introduction of the set, and many more. What do we mean by set? According to the definition, a collection of distinct and well-defined objects or ideas is called a set, e.g. a set of a classroom, a set of a football team, a set of English alphabets, a set of natural number. It is actually the collection of distinct and well-defined objects. The collection of distinct and well-defined objects or ideas is called a set. For example, a set of a classroom, a set of students, a set of teachers, a set of a football team, a set of English alphabets, a set of whole numbers, a set of integers. So the collection of those distinct and well-defined objects is what we call a set. You may have also the collection of distinct and well-defined ideas. That's what we mean by set. But what are those distinct and well-defined objects? Those distinct and well-defined objects or ideas of a set are called members or elements of the set. In mathematical terms, those distinct and well-defined objects or ideas of any set are called members or elements of the set. Most of the times we name them elements of the set, which are the members of the set. These are those distinct and well-defined objects or ideas of a set. Normally, a set is denoted by a capital letter, an element by a small letter. Mathematically, normally we represent a set by a capital letter, like capital A, capital B, capital C. We represent a set by a capital letter, but the element inside that set are represented by a small letter, like small a, small b, small c, small d. This is in mathematical perspective, but let me take an example. For example, if A equals to A, B, C, D, A is a set. A is a set of first four alphabets. These small objects are the elements of the set. This capital A is a set. As we just learned that normally set is represented by the capital letter like capital A, capital B, capital X, capital Y. But the elements are represented by the small letters. It's not good to have capital A here, which is the name of the set, and then the elements in capital like capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. So the name of the set is A, which is represented by the capital letter. This is called the set A. We call it set A. And the elements are represented by the small letters like small a, small b, small c, small d. So these A, B, C, D are the distinct and well-defined objects. These are the well-defined objects. This A, set A, is the collection of these well-defined and distinct objects. These distinct and well-defined objects are called members or elements of the set A. But what if we have B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? B is the set of natural numbers. So you may have natural numbers, you may have integers, you may have alphabets, you may have whole numbers, you may have rational numbers, irrational numbers. A set can be a collection of any number. As usual, these are called elements of the set B. This capital B is the set. B is the set of the natural numbers. These numbers inside the braces are called elements of the set B. It is called set B. These are the elements. We may have C equals to football players. These football players are the elements. C is the set. This capital letter C is the set, and whatever stuff we have inside the braces will be the elements. You may have alphabets, you may have natural numbers, you may have whole numbers, you may have integers, you may have a group of something like football players, a set of classrooms, a set of teachers, a set of students. Whatever come inside the braces will be the elements of set C. Similarly, if D equals to Nayar, Sidra, and David, these are the elements and D is the set. As I said, you can put anything. D is a set of the names of 3 persons, which are Nayar, Sidra, and David. So Nayar, Sidra, and David are the elements. This D, which is the capital letter, is called the set.